Hi, it's Miriam, the Cottage Creatrix. I'm a plastic canvas artist, and today I'm going to show you how to do a basic satin stitch heart. What I've already done is pre-cut my canvas to be 13 hole by 13 hole and approximately 3 foot length of yarn. Now I'm going to go and do this heart so that it is started right in the center row. So that means 6 holes on each side, and we are going to work in the middle row and just go and put our first one up, and I'm going to move it up by 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we'll stitch there. And then when you make a heart, you just go up by 1 hole in the next one, and then we're going to go up by 1 hole again. And that way we're going to do just a little bit. Okay. This one we need to go up by 1 hole, and we're going to keep the top the same as the last one that we did. We're just going to keep working up by 1 hole for the next 2 stitches, but we're going to go down in the top by 1 on each side. So that way it makes our heart shape. And now what we're going to do is the exact same thing on this other side so that we mirror the heart. So keeping on working up. Now we're going to do this one to be the same length. Keep it there. Up by 1 to make that nice little V shape. Down by 1. Just like so. So there's your satin stitch heart, and then you just go and bring your thread right through the back. Flip it off, and there is your basic satin stitch heart. Thanks for joining.